In the ever-evolving landscape of automotive innovation, companies are determined to combat carbon emissions and revolutionize the industry. McLaren, renowned for their cutting-edge engineering prowess, has recently unveiled their latest creation, the awe-inspiring hydrogen engine. McLaren confidently asserts that their groundbreaking solution surpasses the burgeoning popularity of battery-powered vehicles, heralding a new era of sustainable automotive technology. While certain automotive manufacturers have recently announced their departure from traditional gasoline-powered engines, McLaren has taken a different path. Rather than completely abandoning internal combustion engines, they have decided to focus on advancing hybrid technology to create the next generation of high-performance engines. To achieve this ambitious goal, McLaren has formed a strategic partnership with Ricardo, a reputable French engine supplier known for their expertise in powertrain development. Through this collaboration, McLaren aims to develop cutting-edge hybrid V6 and V8 engines that will not only meet stringent emission standards but also deliver exceptional performance. These advanced hybrid engines will find their way into McLaren's future lineup of supercars, including both existing models and upcoming releases. To support this venture, McLaren plans to make substantial investments in their Shoreham facility, expanding its capabilities and infrastructure. As part of this expansion, the company will hire an additional 100 engineers and technicians who will contribute their expertise in crafting these powerful and efficient hybrid powertrains. Ricardo and McLaren initiated their partnership back in 2011 with the release of the 12 coulombs model. This collaboration resulted in the development of an impressive 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8 engine created jointly by the two companies. Over the span of 12 years since their partnership began, McLaren proudly boasts that more than 34,000 engines have been produced through this successful collaboration. While the specific vehicle or vehicles that will house this new hybrid engine remain undisclosed, it has been confirmed that McLaren is actively working on a next-generation flagship supercar that will incorporate this innovative powertrain. This upcoming supercar is poised to represent the epitome of McLaren's engineering prowess and performance capabilities. According to the agreement, Ricardo will provide both hybrid and non-hybrid variants of high-performance V8 powertrains for McLaren's next-generation vehicles. To facilitate this, both Ricardo and McLaren will invest in the enhancement of the high-performance engine production facility located at Shoreham. The investment will involve over 100 skilled manufacturing engineers and technicians who will be dedicated to the production of McLaren's high-performance powertrains. The agreement further strengthens and extends the long-standing relationship between Ricardo and McLaren into the next decade. Graham Ritchie, the chief executive officer of Ricardo plc, expressed his satisfaction with the agreement, emphasizing the track record of engineering excellence in high-performance technology that both Ricardo and McLaren possess. He also emphasizes their commitment to delivering the highest standards of product quality with support from the upstream supply chain. With this agreement, they look forward to continuing their established and highly successful relationship with McLaren into its third decade. After careful consideration, it has been determined that the strategic decision made by McLaren to focus on hybrid powertrains stems from the belief held by their CEO that electric vehicles may not provide the same level of excitement and visceral experience that is intrinsic to the world of supercars. By prioritizing hybrid technology, McLaren aims to strike a harmonious balance between sustainability and the exhilaration of driving, ensuring that their future flagship supercar delivers the raw power and extraordinary performance that enthusiasts crave. During his appearance at the FT Future of the Car Summit, McLaren CEO Michael Leiters shared his perspective on the current state of electric vehicle technology. According to a report by The Telegraph, Leiters expressed his belief that the existing battery technology has not yet reached a level of maturity that can meet McLaren's high standards for driving performance. He specifically pointed out concerns regarding the weight of the batteries and how it impacts the sporty and enjoyable aspects of driving, particularly in scenarios like racetracks or spirited weekend drives. While acknowledging the continuous advancements in EV technology, Leiters suggests that the current battery technology does not meet McLaren's expectations in terms of delivering the level of driving pleasure and performance they strive for. In his own words, today's battery technology is not yet mature. If you go sporty, if you want to enjoy yourself at the weekend, if you go on a racetrack, it's not yet the right technology. Aside from this, McLaren also announced in 2020 that they had partnered with BAC Motors and agreed to work together on component development for hydrogen hybrid hypercars. By venturing into the hydrogen industry through this agreement, McLaren aims to deepen its involvement and support the growing hydrogen community. In particular, McLaren Applied has introduced a new product called the IPG5 800-volt silicon carbide inverter. This advanced inverter has been chosen by BAC Motors to optimize the vehicle's range, enabling it to travel longer distances on a single charge. Additionally, it supports faster charging, which is a key feature of the King Sim Hyper GT and SUV. In addition to their other advantages, the inverter and motor developed by McLaren offer the benefit of being lightweight and compact. This characteristic has several positive implications for the vehicle. Firstly, it helps reduce the overall weight of the vehicle, which is crucial for enhancing its performance and efficiency. A lighter vehicle requires less energy to accelerate and maneuver, resulting in improved handling and responsiveness. Moreover, the compact size of the inverter and motor makes it easier to integrate them into the vehicle's design. This simplifies the packaging process, allowing for more efficient use of space within the vehicle. By optimizing the placement of these components, engineers can achieve better weight distribution, which further enhances the vehicle's stability and handling. Electric vehicles are generally considered to be environmentally friendly because they produce zero emissions at the tailpipe, which helps to reduce air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. However, they can be more expensive to purchase than traditional internal combustion engine vehicles, which can make them less accessible to some consumers. Additionally, some consumers are hesitant to switch to EVs because they may perceive them as lacking the raw power and performance that ICE-powered vehicles can offer. It is encouraging to see companies like McLaren exploring ways to make the automobile industry more environmentally friendly without sacrificing power and performance. By developing hybrid and electric vehicles that can offer both power and environmental friendliness, companies like McLaren are helping to make the transition to sustainable transportation more accessible and appealing to a wider range of consumers. What do you think about this? Let us know down in the comments section.